I'm Tasker96 and welcome back to the channel. I have some information about the progress of the simulator as well as some channel related items. In the time between my last video and now, I have been working on a stability update that aims to fix some of the issues present in the simulator, as well as improving on some existing features. While there are only a few things listed, some of them are rather involved and will take some time to ensure that they're ready for release. Page indicators have now been added to the home screen and update automatically when you change between pages. Proper brightness control of the simulator display is now supported in the iOS 6 simulator. As a demonstration, I've mapped it to the slider in the media control center on the lock screen. And as I move the slider, you can see that the brightness is in fact changing. This API is open and can be used in applications that you develop or applications that the simulator will eventually run. Computers and devices that have no physical battery will no longer error out and instead show the plugged in but not charging symbol in the status bar. Reboot will be the first scene to load and will immediately generate the file structure to ensure that there's no crashes when trying to read and write from an empty directory. In a built version of the simulator, where the screen size scales to your monitor, the slide to unlock handle will now properly follow your mouse. If an app is not valid on the home screen and cannot be opened, an alert pop-up will now be displayed to let you know that nothing has been developed. This system is also open for developers and will be eventually expanded on to support more features. The audio system of the simulator has also been drastically improved from using whatever the hell I made before. Now, we are using the built-in Unity audio system, as well as using logarithms to control volume. As always, the slider does still change volume, and you can see it refreshing in the corner for the app switcher volume control, and you can also see it changing in the general tab. The new audio system will also be exposed as an API to be used in applications, similar to how WebKit in Safari can change the system volume. The volume is now saved and will also persist between playthroughs. Auto-saving occurs 30 seconds after the volume stops changing. The audio JSON file will be stored in rootfs, library, and preferences. This is what the structure of the JSON file looks like. The final and most major change to the simulator occurs with the scripts. In the scripts folder, there is a new directory called System, and this is where all the new code will be saved. The biggest change is happening to Springboard, where everything is going to be more unified and no longer relies on events to trigger different methods. Instead, everything will be contained in one script that's split into partials, so it's a little bit more organized. Is this the best practice? Probably not, but it seems to be working so far. This update to Springboard is what's taking the longest. I wish I could give you a date as to when this will be completed, but it'll have to be played by ear and just going with the flow, so I apologize about that. This video is also a little bit special, as today, or when this video gets released, is actually the second anniversary of the iOS 6 simulator. That's right, it's already been 2 years that this project has been going on for. Time really does fly. As for the channel information segment of this video, I'm considering making videos about the beta releases of the real iOS. They won't be very long and will aim to be a quick overview and comparison of changes that Apple makes in each version. These videos will start when either the first iOS 26.5 betas release or when the iOS 27 betas arrive, whichever comes first. Anyways, that's all for this video. To stay up to date with simulator related information, make sure to check the community tab or the roadmap on the GitHub repository. The roadmap is updated more frequently with what I am currently doing and changing with the simulator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!